Good morning everyone. It's Sunday. Let's just have coffee. Coffee tayo. It's Sunday ngayon. Remember, church day. Kaya it's time to magpasalamat tayo sa Panginoon. Kaya let us go to the church and ating pong time to tayo mag fellowship po, no? Bawat isa para po kumbaga sa Ilonggo, mahimaya ang Ginoo. Praise the Lord. To refresh our spiritual, makarinig tayo ng salita ng Panginoon. Tandaan po natin yung faith natin ay nagmula po sa pakinig salita ng Panginoon. So, good morning everyone. It's Sunday time. Sarap ng black coffee. Yan. Black coffee. Tricycle lang kami ngayon. Kailangan sasakyan, wala pong brake. Kaya delikado dalhin. So, tricycle muna. It's Sunday time, so see you in the church.